Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, make sure the app is updated and you're logged in. Open the Instagram camera and choose Story or Reel, then tap the square sticker icon. Once there, switch to the Save tab. This shows stickers you saved earlier so you can reuse them quickly. You're doing this to keep branding and style consistent. Saved stickers save time and preserve assets. Now, pick the sticker you want to add. It will appear on your canvas so you can position it where it matters. Once the saved sticker is on your canvas, you control how it reads. Drag to position, pinch to resize, and rotate with 2 fingers for the right angle. If you need layering, use a 2-finger gesture or the sticker order controls so text and other elements remain readable. Make sure the sticker doesn't hide vital content. Duplicate or animate the sticker to add emphasis. You're doing these steps to maintain visual hierarchy and to keep viewers' eyes where you want them. You're almost done. Review the whole story or reel, check timing, then post or save to drafts if you want to edit later. If you need to remove a saved sticker from your library, long press it in the Save tab and choose Delete or Unsave. If a saved sticker fails to load, first close and reopen Instagram, then test your connection. If the problem persists, clear app cache or reinstall the app. These checks fix syncing issues so you can keep producing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.